Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Looking to revitalize your credit score? This in-depth review of Fresh Start Credit Repair provides all the essential details you need. For easy access, relevant links are available in the description below. Fresh Start Credit Repair is a service tailored to individuals aiming to restore their financial health by correcting errors and addressing negative entries on their credit reports. Whether you're struggling with late payments, collections, charge-offs, or even the aftermath of identity theft, this service can help you regain control and boost your creditworthiness. The process begins with a thorough analysis of your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Fresh Start meticulously identifies inaccuracies, outdated information, and unverifiable negative entries. Based on this analysis, they formulate a personalized action plan and directly manage disputes with creditors and credit bureaus on your behalf, saving you time and effort. A distinguishing characteristic of Fresh Start is its commitment to education and empowering clients. Beyond simply addressing inaccuracies, they provide practical advice on effective credit management. This includes strategies for optimizing credit utilization, implementing payment reminders, and building a positive credit history. Their emphasis on long-term credit health ensures not only immediate improvements to your credit score but also equips you with sustainable financial habits for the future. Fresh Start is especially beneficial for those approaching significant financial milestones, such as purchasing a home or securing an auto loan, who need to improve their credit reports to qualify for favorable terms. The service boasts transparent pricing and provides regular step-by-step updates, making the entire process clear, straightforward, and stress-free. In my own experience, Fresh Start Credit Repair provides a reliable, results-oriented service for individuals prepared to address their credit challenges head-on. If you're weary of battling credit report errors or seeking expert guidance to enhance your financial standing, Fresh Start is definitely worth considering. Click the links in the description to learn more and embark on your journey towards a brighter financial future.